Hi, my name is Nadhira Sari. I am an architecture student in Universitas Sumatera Utara. I am one of the 2018 student. My student ID number is 1804066161. This video is made to fulfill my assignment in architectural design studio class. We are told to make a mixed-use commercial building in Medan. A mixed-use building contains two or more functions or uses. This project is known as Kawa Mall and Residence. Kawa is a Japanese word that is defined as river. It is due to the location of the site is beside the Delhi River. This building contains of commercial space and residence. The apartment has public facilities such as laundry room, gymnasium, and a basketball court. So first, I will be talking about the site. It is located at the intersection of Adam Malik and Yosudarso Street. For the original site area is 18,000 meters square, but in this project I will be using only 15,000 meters square. The site contour is flat with no existing building on it. Before we continue to designing, it is important to analyze the site first. So for the sun orientation, the sun moves from the left to the right side of the site, where there is the Delhi River. This would cause the left and the right side of the building as an area that receives the most direct sunlight, which causes it to have high temperature on daily time. To solve this problem, there will be some vegetation, such as medium height to high trees, that will be placed. Next is about site access. Both of the entry and the exit entrance of the site is on the Adam Malik Street. The entrance of the mall and apartment visitors will be separated in order to decrease the possibility of traffic on the entrance path. And for the noise orientation, the main source of the noises that enter the site is the sound of the vehicle passing through Adam Malik and Yosudarso Street. It happens to be the site is located beside the main road could cause the noises of vehicle passing through enters the building, which may interrupt the mixed-use building visitors' activities inside. Now is for the site orientation. The main orientation is the Adam Malik Street. This lead to the building will be facing the Adam Malik Street. The next is wind orientation. The wind comes from southwest to northeast, which means it enters from where the main entrance is to the parking area. This leads to the basketball court to be placed beside the building, not at the back. And lastly is the side view, where it can be seen that the main view of the building is the Adam Malik Street due to the building is facing that way. On the left side of the site, there is Yosudarso Street, while on the back shows the Delhi River and residential area. And now we are moving to the concept. The architecture style that will be used on this project is the modern architecture style that is known as simple, have lots of windows and open space. The open space can be found on the third floor of the commercial building. It provides a view directly to the Adam Malik Street and residential area. The chosen color of the building is likely to be a neutral color, such as white, black, gray, with addition of a brown color. So this shows the shape transformation of ground floor plan, which started from a basic rectangle shape and cutting the marked red areas on the front, followed by cutting the marked area on the back. This resulting an irregular shape that will be used as the basic shape of ground floor plan. Moving on to the next slide shows the shape transformation of the typical floor plan that has the same shape and steps as the ground floor one but smaller. Next is the massing steps, which started with combining the commercial building and typical floor shape until the second floor. And on the third floor, the ground floor plan shape is cut into about 5 meters long to create an open space. On the fourth floor, the typical floor mass is placed 2 meters back from its regular place, and on the next floor, it is placed back onto the regular place. This method creates a back and forth concept all along the typical floor. For the structure, the rigid frame and core system is used for the building structure, while the board pile method is used on the foundation. The next thing I am going to present is my result for this assignment, which started from the drawing plans. In this slide shows the Kawa Mall and residence site plan and every floor plan from basement to the roof. And continuing to the elevation section plans, poster about the building starting from the site analysis, concept, and my result. The 3D model of the building and some activities that occurred. And lastly, shows my building model that is mostly made with PVC board and handmade trees miniature. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention and time.